Your life passes you by. You see how everything fades away. All the people you love begin to die. You forget how precious memories are. I'm a renegade, walking through the fire, with a heart of steel, a burning desire. I'm the voice of the voiceless, the misunderstood. With fearless conviction, I rise as I should, breaking down walls, let's challenge the norms. Trying to change something, you trying to change. Realize that you can do nothing. You cannot escape the death, even it makes you afraid. You should show respect. Running here, running there, my mind is so spherical. Touching darkness, leaving sharpness, maybe I'm hysterical. Never ending story so far, baby, young and dumb is what we are. Let's think about what we love and not what we hate at all. Yeah, let's think about what we love and not what we hate at all. She is thinking about what could happen to her right now. I wonder what she is afraid of. How calm her down. Touching grass, feeling less. I think I need a breakup. But it makes no sense, 'cause I am so awake in here. I love her when she smiles, I hate her when she cries, 'cause I'm just really bad with my emotions, yeah. I was mad at the start, chaos in my heart, yeah. Let's think about what we love and not what we hate at all. Yeah, let's think about what we love and not what Don't say we can't, oh, just don't say another word. These thoughts you've imagined aren't real, aren't adding up. You fetched your ideas from nowhere, all from another world. Your logic's impaired, you're full paired.